Welcome back to Star64 at the Movies. Amy Scalia here, hanging out at Sleigh Bells in Walton, Kentucky. This place has something for everyone. Even me, I have discovered the handbags and the jewelry. This place is awesome. Ooh, I like your necklace. What is this?
Thank you. Well, both of our handbag lines and this this line of jewelry is made in America.
Nice.
We have Cindy and Stephanie Dawn, and yeah, we do have scarves and jewelry. And
oh, honey, I've already discovered it. I'm ready to check out. More coming up right here at Star64 at the Movies.